Hi, let's rivet our tray together. Come with me. All right, here's everything you're going to need. You're gonna need your tray, a stake, you're gonna need your hole punch with the 1/8 inch adapter already in there. You're gonna need your rivet set with an 1/8 inch tinner rivet. You're gonna need your blind rivet gun with a blind or pop rivet. And then you're gonna need yourself a ball peen hammer. So here's our utility tray. So far we have folded and hemmed our utility tray. What we wanna do is we wanna go ahead and fasten one side of our box using a pop rivet and a tinner rivet. To do that, what we wanna do is we've gotta go ahead and punch an 1/8 inch hole through both the tab and our outer piece of metal. We'll be using our hole punch here. The key point here is to make sure whenever you punch through this that you are going to actually punch both through the tab and the metal, and that our corner is lined up nice and even, like right here. And then squeeze through like so. Notice that the hole is through both the tab and the outer side, and my corners still line up. We're going to do this on both sides here. Next, we're going to do the pop rivet first. Probably the easiest of the two. You'll have to get yourself one of the 1/8 inch pop rivets, put it into the end like so. With your box together, we're going to push this through both holes, making sure that we are nice and tight against the tab. Once you're through, we're going to squeeze, and what you're going to see is it's going to compress that rivet until you hear it go pop. There you go. Now you have a nice, solid pop rivet. Next, we're going to do a tinner rivet. We're going to need a rivet set and a ball peen hammer and a 1/8 inch steel or aluminum rivet. What we're going to want to do is feed this through the inside and through our box like so. Now this may be difficult. If so, use the stake to help you. Place it on a stake using the side hole on your rivet set. Place it over the rivet and lightly hammer it down, drawing the rivet up through the bottom of the box. Now that that's ready to go, we're going to use the hole on the bottom. If you take a look there, there's a hole on the bottom of the rivet set. We're going to place that over our rivet. We're going to give it a nice good cup of wax. That sets the rivet. Now we need to go ahead and get it to lay down nice and flat. I'm going to start by mushrooming the head of the rivet. And then I'm going to use this dome-shaped end to flatten this thing down. And just like that, you have yourself a finished rivet. Notice, very strong. The tinner rivet's even stronger than the blind rivet. There you go. One end of your box is fastened together.